Buying a new garage door in Centennial? Start smart, not stressed. The right choice boosts safety, style, and long-term value for your home. Always choose durable materials built for Colorado's changing weather. Insulated doors improve energy efficiency and reduce noise effortlessly. Modern designs enhance curb appeal and elevate your home's first impression. Smart garage features add convenience, control, and advanced security. Never ignore professional installation for lasting performance and safety. Routine maintenance prevents costly issues and ensures smooth operation. Trust experts in garage door repair. Centennial for reliable solutions. Choose quality you can trust. Call Spark Garage Doors Repair at +1 303 928 22700 for expert installation and repair today.